Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is freedom through faith. It's time to stay consistent. Consistency is key, Capricorn. You put in too much work to stop now. Continue to run this race and finish this race strong. Go into the next season bold, with strength, knowing that you laid it all out on the line and put maximum effort, and you stay consistent and you did not stop. I calm my thoughts and rise above all fear, because fear fears you. It'll look the other way. It'll look it in the eye. It'll run the other way. And guys, you put in too much work for fear or doubt or any type of resentment or guilt to come into your aura. You've earned this. You've earned your blessing and freedom. I free myself from all doubt by entrusting my doubts to God, replacing doubt with love, light, positive energy, and gratitude. I have faith in God's perfect timing and placement, and I trust His will, and I find freedom is on the way. Stay consistent. That is the key. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.